Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking about the Firestick 4K versus the new Fire TV Stick 4K Plus. So if you went on Amazon a couple weeks ago and typed in Firestick, you would have come across the 4K Max, the new 4K Select, the Firestick HD, and the regular Amazon Firestick 4K, and they were your options. And if you know anything about Firesticks, you'll obviously know the Select is the one that is Vega OS and doesn't run Fire OS, so I'd recommend staying clear of that one, but that's up to you. And now when you go on Amazon and search in Firestick, you see the 4K Max as normal, the Select as normal, the HD as normal, but then you see the Firestick 4K Plus. And that has completely replaced the Amazon Firestick 4K. So you may be wondering what the difference on these devices are. It looks the same here. The remotes are the same, the stick looks the same. It even says on the box, Firestick 4K, 8 gigs of RAM, Wi-Fi 6. The Firestick 4K Plus says 8 gigs of RAM, Wi-Fi 6. There is no difference between these devices. The only difference is they've just given it a new name. I'm not sure what the reason behind this is, but that's all it is. It's just a name change. It is the exact same device. I've actually seen people say that they've gone on Amazon, clicked to order the 4K Plus, and it's arrived as a Firestick 4K, as obviously they'll still be getting rid of old stock at the minute. So all it is a new name change. I think the reason for this might be so that you can tell the model of the Firestick's different. As before, you just had the Firestick 4K Select and the 4K. And people may have not understood the difference between them, but now it's the 4K Plus. You know, you've got the Select and the Plus. So maybe that's the thing, but there's nowhere on when you look at these devices to tell you if they're running Vega OS or Fire OS. I think it might be to confuse people maybe, but I think maybe it is because it looks like it's a brand new device, so people may go on there and buy it once they find out it still runs Fire OS to get the newest Fire Stick that still runs Fire OS. But no, it is the exact same product. So the way that you can very easily tell that this is the old Fire Stick 4K just rebranded is they've not even created a new listing for it. So you see, I'm on here looking at the 4K Plus, but if I go onto the reviews, see customer reviews, as you can see, we've got reviews with images. And that's a photo of the Firestick 4K. That's a Firestick 4K. This is random. Firestick 4K. So clearly, it's just the same Firestick as before. And some of these reviews could be quite old. So, see, this review is from October, which is before the Plus even was released. These two are literally the same devices, so no need to worry about that or anything. If you buy the Firestick 4K Plus, you can still sideload and everything on it. It's still only the Firestick 4K Select that you cannot sideload on. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.